Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a happy mail from Stamps of Life. Super excited, yay. Okay, taking it off, gonna wipe down my table. Yeah, I'm not even gonna show you. Our post office, bless their hearts. Okay, here we go. I am super excited, yay. Now, one more box gone. Been processing things today and oh goodness. Filled one large bag, and you know how that is. So I am super excited to see this. So, okay, let me get myself, oh my gosh, and a big, huge mosquito on me. Oh my goodness. We are inundated with mosquitoes. More rain, more tornadoes, not too far from our house. Crazy, crazy weather. So I hope you guys are being safe and not having what we're having. And I hope you don't have all these mosquitoes. Oh, you literally walk outside and they are all over you. You could literally take your hand and you can feel yourself swatting them. It's like the jungle. So, all right. So this is the May kit. And I love the barbecue. I love the whole theme. I am super excited. I did see a peek at this online. So super, super excited. My brother-in-law is a huge barbecue guy. My dad was. And boy, they are so talented with it. So, but before I get started, the color of the paper, let me get this open, is all kinds of good stuff. Hold on. Okay. Like always, I think there's 4 white cardstock, and they're gorgeous, great, super fantastic level of cardstock. And then we have Pool. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm thinking Twig or Ginger Snap. I'm not sure. So I'm thinking Twig. And then Ginger Snap, I'm thinking, I don't know the colors that well. I used to know them all, and I remember when she was adding colors, and I know. And this is Midnight. Isn't that gorgeous, that navy? Okay, this is Cranberry. I love Cranberry. It's so beautiful. Sorry, we got a reflection here. And this is Green Apple. So pretty. We have been drizzly, not drizzly, but you know, sprinkly all day today. So that's what's happening here. Maybe either that was Kiwi or Green Apple. And this is Sunshine. Uh-oh. And I've gotten something wrong. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Maybe the lighter one was Kiwi. This one is Twig, and the in-between one was Ginger Snap. I'm guessing. Go look at the website, okay? Highly recommend. You always get a great encouragement card of what it is. You always get a gorgeous, these are my favorite all-time envelopes. These are the ones that can really, really, really handle Paper Crafters goodies. They hold up. They're not mushy. They really work well. And we just got one in one of the DEK kits, and I loved it. So anyways, let's see here. And then we just got a different style, a softer one, which I have left for other things, especially like handwork, needlework, things like that. But I really love these for the paper crafting. They just really protect your stuff. So look at that gorgeous ribbon. Isn't that pretty with the little dashes in it? And then just a very thin, brown, satin ribbon. So beautiful ribbon. It says, "What? Hey, dude, what's up? Happy Father's Day. Cool guy. Awesome BBQ." And then grass. So super cute. BBQ in totally rad words. Okay. And look at the stamp. Oh, that is so cute. OMG. It's oops, yikes, whoa. Your birthday, what a day. I forgot. This will be perfect because my husband has a birthday in the summer as well as Father's Day. So I love that. I'll probably save the barbecue goodies for my brother-in-law. My husband doesn't barbecue very much at all, if ever. And there's always lots of discussion on it, but it never happens. So anyways, my brother-in-law is a huge barbecue guy. My dad was as well. My dad liked barbecue daily, and so has my brother-in-law. And they were both they both are, my dad was, my brother-in-law is master barbecue guys. The cute epoxy stickers, if you wanted to make cards, you have the dozen envelopes, and then let's look at this paper pad. And so I recently did a project with one of the paper pads from one of my Stamps of Life kits, and it's a memory mini album, and I loved using that paper, and I think this would be perfect for a gift for my brother-in-law. So I'm hoping you can see, yeah, you can see both sides. I was hoping it would turn out that this was as cute as I thought it was going to be, and I mean, gee whiz, he would love that. So I think this is so cute, and I think it would be so darling for his birthday in December. So I think this is fun. And look at the cut aparts, so fun. And then all of this, I really, 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 and it's just going to repeat again. So you have the larger, you have the smaller, and it is so good quality paper. I believe 6x9. I was going to say, this looks like a 6x8. I am thrilled. The more people go to 6x8s, I am thrilled. I have really gotten into 6x8 memory keeping, so I don't mind doing a few mini albums, and I'll use the 6x6s, but if I can buy a 6x8 pad, hands down, that's the one I go for every single time, unless it's a loose paper. So this is a gorgeous kit again. Always good stuff from Stamps of Life. And if you are in the Stamps of Life, subscriptions, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of this month and what you plan to do with yours. Do you have a birthday for somebody that you know that is coming up? Do you have a Father's Day card? And by the way, if you're new, I'm not forgetting my dad. My dad passed away several years ago. So, but if he were still here, he would totally get this as a gift. He would totally get probably a memory album out of this. He would love it. And he would have loved it. So anyways, but so I didn't want you to think I was forgetting my dad. And we're getting to the point, it's been a few years now, and we're getting to the point where these kind of things are, I may put this in their memory album. That's what I could do. I could include some of this in my parents' memory album I'm going to do. So for my sister and my brother, and for Christmas this year. So I'm super excited to work on that project. I've got my papers, and even though these are not purple, we always did a huge 4th of July family gathering. We always went, I've got this really full, so we always went to the local rodeo. My dad would get a box every year, and all of the kids would come, and grandkids, and the grandkids would do the mutton busting and the calf scramble. And so they would always have a great time, and it was such a lovely time. Now, if it had been raining, it would be hot and humid or mosquito-y, and that was never fun. But the rest of it was good. And because my dad had a box, we had such great seats. And it was a fun thing. It really, really was. And every 4th of July, we really miss my parents. The VFW that hosts the rodeo asked for a couple of years if I wanted my dad's box. And it wasn't an inexpensive thing, and so we declined. I asked my siblings, do you guys all want to come and we could do it together? And the answer was no. So, because it got to the end where some of the family didn't enjoy it anymore, and you know how that goes. And I have to be honest, I would not sit there all 3 nights, and I would not enjoy that, kind of thing. But all 3 nights, but each kid could have had a night, and it would have been fun with our friends and family or whatever we wanted to do. And it is what it is. It's a great memory, and I miss my parents, as you guys well know. But the red, white, and blue will be perfect, and that will go in the memory album for my parents. So that's what I'm doing with my Stamps of Life. What are you doing with your Stamps of Life? Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. I happened to accidentally hit the link for it yesterday, and I was like, wow. So welcome. We're so glad you're here. Thank you so much for being a part of us, and say hello. I'd love to say hello back. And, yeah, share what you're doing, and then we can all learn from you. And that's always a blessing. Whatever you're using your subscription box for, encourage the rest of us. Tell us so we can learn from you. Okay, friends. Again, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Have a great day. Be safe, and find joy in your journey this day. All right, friends. Let's focus on those blessings today. All right. Love you guys. Y'all take care. Bye bye.